Hey everybody, I'm Carl with CenturionPro. Today I'm really excited to be doing an unboxing video of our best-selling trimmer model, the TableTop. The CenturionPro tabletop trimmer is by far the world's most efficient tumble-style trimmer. This machine comes standard with everything you need to trim your cannabis and hemp. It's ideal for small grow operations and can universally trim both wet and dry product. Without further ado, let's get started.
To assemble the hopper, use the provided set of screws, washers, and nuts. You'll notice that they came in a separate bag attached to the hopper's manual. Use a screw to hold the legs with the side frame. Then secure the screw by placing a washer and tighten with the nut. If you have a torque wrench with a 10mm head, you can also use it to speed up the assembly of your hopper. Repeat that process for the second frame. Finish the assembly of the hopper by placing the rod's top cover and rubber feet. When placing the mesh bag, make sure the opening faces the front of the hopper. Start by putting the blower on the side where the impeller is. The wheels and nuts for the blower come in a separate bag to avoid confusion. Screw the 4 wheels onto the blower, then tighten the wheels with the nuts. To assemble the belt cover, you'll need 4 washers and 4 screws. Start by placing a washer on the first screw and place it on the upper hole to hold the belt cover in. Repeat the same process with the bearing covers and the 2 sets of screws and washers. Finally, you'll need to place the tumbler inside the trimmer. Using the toolkit provided, remove the brush by unscrewing the 4 screws. Then, place the tumbler. Now, reinstall the brush and tighten the 4 screws. Finish your installation by sliding the plastic top cover back. The triple bag Kief and trim collection system comes inside 3 different labeled bags. The inner black mesh bag is labeled D. Place it inside the white filter bag labeled C. Once that's done, grab the end of the assembled bag and pull it inside the outer polyester bag labeled 1 HP. Place the triple bag system onto the front of the blower and tighten it with the hose clamp. Make sure the triple bag system is secured. Make sure that you place the loosened hose clamp on the hose before starting. Then, attach the hose to the diverter and tighten it with the hose clamp. Then, grab the other end of the hose. Place it on the trimmer's skirt. Tighten the hose clamp, making sure it's secured. Slightly pull up the trimmer and feed the tumbler inside the hopper's opening.
So we just covered the unboxing and assembly of your tabletop trimmer. Now it's important to go onto our website, fill out the warranty registration form. If you have any questions related to the assembly or unboxing your machine that weren't covered in this video, you can send us an email at techsupport@cprosolutions.com. Also, subscribe to our channel for other great videos to help streamline your harvest and make the most of your trimmer purchase. In our next video, we're going to do an overview of the key components of the machine and the operation of the machine itself. Thank you for watching and happy harvest.